welcome to Nola Cooks. My name is Wonola. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more videos every week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Today I will share with you the secrets of cooking fried rice that doesn't go bad quickly. This fried rice can last for as long as 5 days in your fridge with uninterrupted power supply. I will be showing you the ingredients for this fried rice. I have carrots, green peas, green beans, onion and green bell pepper, chicken breast, curry and thyme, garlic powder, ginger powder, sweet corn, olive oil, washed rice. I am using basmati rice for this recipe, seasoning cubes. I am mixing my seasoning so I can get a mix of flavor in my food. I am using all-purpose seasoning, vegetable seasoning, chicken seasoning, and of course salt. I am cutting the chicken breast into smaller sizes and I will season and boil it for about 10 minutes. You don't want to overboil this because it gets soft fast. While the chicken is cooking, I'm just chopping the onion and green bell pepper into the size that I want. In a clean and dry pot, I am adding the olive oil. I prefer to use olive oil because of its great benefit. And of course, you can use any kind of oil that you prefer. I will let the oil get hot before adding my chopped onions. And I will let that fry for about 2 minutes. And now I am adding the washed rice. The trick is you have to keep stirring this rice as you add all other ingredients to it. I am now adding the curry powder, thyme, and I'll keep on stir frying to avoid it from getting burnt. I will also be adding all-purpose seasoning and salt, and I will stir fry it for about 15 minutes until the rice starts to get brown. You can be sure the rice is ready when you pick one of the rice and it's edible. So I'm going to add my chicken broth and water that is enough to cook the rice. You don't need so much water to cook this rice. I will cover it to cook and slice the chicken breast while the rice is cooking. The water in the rice is dry now, and I will just set it aside while I prepare my vegetables. In a clean and dry frying pan, I am adding my olive oil and I'll let it get hot before adding my vegetables. I am adding the green bell peppers, the carrots, the green beans, the green peas, the chicken breasts, this is the sweet corn, and I'll be adding all my seasoning. I am using vegetable seasoning, salt, curry, thyme, ginger and garlic powder, and I'll just keep stirring for about 15 minutes until it cooks. If you leave this for a minute, it can get burnt, so you just have to keep stirring. The vegetable is ready now, and I'll be mixing it with the rice in batches so I'll be able to combine it well. If you are cooking a lot of rice, you may need to divide your rice too, so you can be able to combine it very well. The fried rice is ready now, and trust me, this fried rice can last up to 5 days in your fridge. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or recommendations, please let me know in the comment section below. I hope that you have subscribed to my channel. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye.